going, everyone? This is it's not going to be a tutorial of how to do it. This is me going to try and fit a radiator guard. Just had the EvoTech radiator guard in, and their instructions is as clear as mud, like hand drawing, which isn't great. So I'm going to try and wing my way through. Putting a radiator guard on here. I don't know if you're aware or if you know from my last videos, but I had a CBR 650R. Took it down a dual carriageway. Stone hit it, and stone hit my radiator. Didn't have a radiator guard on, and then it cost me about 750 quid to fix. Had trouble bleeding it, had to take it to a garage. So yeah, I'm getting this installed as quick as I can. So I'm going to install it today. I'll try and show you as much as I can. I don't know how long it's going to take me. Might take me 5 minutes. Could take me a lot longer. So here we go. Is uninstalled these, see if you can see them. Let's see if I can get the camera in here. So them, just there, uninstalled that and taken them out and screwed them, and then you have bottom ones down there as well that have also done. So next, I believe these have to they have to come out. So I'm going to work on that, and then give me a minute. Here you'll see that, and that is connected to this just here. So yeah, all you need to do is unplug that, and it just kind of slides out. So there is a couple of clips down the bottom here. So them clips there, they've got little holes in that hold in the piece in. You just have to take them out, and it basically slides out. So we're halfway. We've got it off. So although it is very dirty under there, I'll have to get it clean after this, and then we'll keep going, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. So I've attached the Evo Rad Guard here. All it is a little cable tie there. Just goes around the back. You have to put in these spacers here. So you just put them in, line them up, and then it should fit perfectly. Now we've got to install this, and yeah. So once I've done that, I'll get back to you. So that's installed. All we did here is reverse, obviously, what we did before. So put them in. Put this one back in here. Put these back in. They're little. I'm not too sure if you can see them with the light, but them. They're just little plastic clips. They can be a bit of a pain to put back in. And then same on the other side. So, there you go. Nice and easy. Hope this helped any of you, and appreciate the watch.